Alright guys, just before we get going today, looks like all the lettuce have poked up in the compost trial. Well, at least one in each anyway. There's probably one under there somewhere if I look carefully. There you are. No, yeah. Anyway, so what I'm going to try and do every day or every couple of days, I'm going to try and get a photograph from this angle. I'm not going to do a time lapse because I looked at it and well, I won't be able to move in the greenhouse. So yeah, let's get on then. Got a few things to do. Going to do a bit of pricking out today. Tomatoes, chillies and a few brassicas. But before that, we have a couple of potato reveals. The last ones from 2021. These are Nicola, 4 in a bucket, sown on the 7th of August. Well, I've got to say, I'm well impressed with them. I don't care what the weight is. Good time of year for nice new potatoes. God, look at that lot. I hope you can see them. And they weighed in at 1.7 kilos, which is 3 3/4 pounds. And the last bucket of Sarpomera. 2 potatoes in here, sown on the 13th of April last year. What's that, 10.5 months ago? There's a few slug-eaten ones in there, but they're clean generally. 3 3/4 kilos, 8 1/4 pounds. Lovely. Right, just a quick one here in the shed. This is the Vitapod, as you know, and there's loads of, well, seedlings now. And above them, providing the light, is the Viper Spectra. The model is, what's the model? It's on there somewhere. Anyway, I'll get the model number. Right, now as you can see, the light is a lot smaller than the Vitapod, but I didn't worry about this because in the advertising gumph it says covers a 3-foot square. But look at the seedlings. I haven't moved these. Look at the ones at the back. Let's rest this on here a minute so I get a steady hand. The ones this side, which are in theory further from the light, are reaching for the light, and the ones this side, well, they're nice and stumpy. Is it the same with these as well? Yeah, a little bit the same with these at the front here. So if the light's good, maybe I just need to turn the trays around more often. Okay, need to get some of these in the greenhouse and start pricking out, I think. I'm impressed with these. Look at these. That's the true potato seed. Never grown them before, so I'm chuffed with them. Tomatoes in the middle. Oh, I just noticed as well the celeriac. Can you see it just down there? Celeriac's just germinating. Right, I'm going to look at my list, see what numbers are what, and decide what to prick out and pot on. Wow, as you can hear, it's raining. So I might as well prick out some of these. I'm going to do my tomatoes first. I know these are the tomatoes. Yeah. We got Brad's Atomic Grape and Heinz 1350. Now, what size pot shall I put those in? Start with small ones, I think. Yeah. Okay then, where's my crib sheet gone? 45, Brad's Atomic Grape Tomato. I'm just going to tip these out. Cool. Nice and deep and straight into the water. Not bad roots on them. Holding by the leaves, not the stem, because the stems are very delicate. And I need those stems to make more roots. Well, that's the Brad's Atomic Grape done. These are the Heinz. Tell you what, I'm getting dripped on, so I must have a leak in here, not that it matters. Right, that's those done then. Right, couple of peppers next. I'm not sure which ones to do yet. Well, they've all got to be done, I suppose. Let's get the long red Marconi done, because they're overdue. And seeing as I only have 2 of these, I might just give them a bit of mycorrhizal. I suppose I better be gentle with these, really. A lot of sites say when you prick out your seedlings to soak the compost first, get it all really wet so they come out easier. I don't know if it's just me, but I find it easier when they're dry, like that. They're weird. Never been known to conform me, but there you are. Well, that's those 2. This is a 32, is it Citrina? I'm not a great fan of sweet peppers, but I grew this one last year because it was free, and I can't remember what it was now. Was it free? Anyway, it doesn't matter, does it? And I liked it, and I really liked it. In fact, I liked it so much I could eat these ones raw. You know, very mild sweet pepper. So I bought some more. And here we go with number 33. Hello! Sweet pepper hello. Been a bit selective. Thank you, motorbike. Picking the ones with the nicest leaves. I'll put these in the water when the last lot are out. Nice. Just how it should be. Okay then, what have we got next? Oh yeah, here's the hang on, I'll get this right now. Bok Wong. Bok Wong. Yeah, doing alright. I'm going to leave that a little bit longer. Get a proper true leaf on each. So I'll put those to one side, back in the light. I need the light. Right then, what we got? There we are, 49 and 50, pak choi, white, and Madeleine cabbage. So, yeah, see down there. I've got more than enough of these. So I'm doing 6 pak choi and 9 of the Madeleine, and I'll do some more pak choi later in the year. Right, let's see how these go then. Mother Earth. Maybe a little bit small. Now they're alright. Normally like to wait for the first true leaf before I transplant, but God, I'm using up room like mad in the greenhouse and the lighter pods at the moment. Yeah, I don't need the dibber. Find the strongest ones if I can. Don't think it really matters at this stage, because all they've done so far is use up their seed energy. really. I mean, they got roots on, obviously. Look. See, oh, yeah. Seems like such a waste, doesn't it, with all those seeds? The thing is, you get, excuse me a second, you get so many in a packet, you know. If you only had, like, say, I don't know, 15 seeds and it cost you a £5, and believe me, I'd be the first one sowing the whole lot, you know. And when you get like 2,000 seeds for 99p, is it worth it, you know? Right, I'm being brassicas, no mycorrhizal with these, because one kills the other. Not sure which round it is. I think, yeah, cabbage kills the mycorrhizal, so there's no point putting it on. Come on, mate. Oh, nice root, nice root. Oh, there they are, all done. These will go into a watering tray, if I can find one. Here we go then. That's another lot done. That'll do for pricking out. I'm sure you're getting bored with me doing this by now. Oh dear. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. Do you think I've left this radish a bit too long? That's the one that was poking up the roof of the veggie bag up the allotment. And the daffodils are very early this year. This is a large trumpet one called Georgie Boy. A cyclaminius called Trina. And a split corona variety called Mia Pia. All very early. And Robin's watching you. Stay safe and I'll catch you next time.